So here you can see that's the app here. Okay, Talking Tom, and talk to me. Here you can see a button. I'm going to click on. How are you?
How are you?
I don't know.
I don't know.
See, so that's the Talking Tom app. So there are a lot of functionality you can add this app. You can use here some buttons, okay? And whenever someone click on that button, like if you're using here some buttons like a smiley and some angry face like that, and you can, whenever someone click on this button, you can change the image here, right, in this browser. So here we go, how we can create this app. Let's see. So click on start new project, and Talking Tom, that's a app here. So that's the dashboard here. Now here I'm going to use an extension, and I'll give you the link of this extension in description. You can download this extension. Okay, so you can see there, that's the extension here, SC speech recognizer. I'm going to open this and drag and drop this extension here first. Click on import and drag and drop this. Click on import, and here I'm going to use one web browser here, and using here one button in the last, click on the screen, and you will see here, make it center, align center, change the background color. You will see here background color. I'm going to make it orange. I'm going to change the button color also, make it something, anything you want. I'm going to use here pink, and change this text. So here I'm going to use Talking Tom like this. Now I'm going to click on this web browser, and I'm going to use here URL. So first, whenever someone open this app, we are going to display this. So here you can see home URL. You can copy and paste that one URL. I'll give you the link of this URL in description, and home URL, paste like this, and you can use another any image URL. Okay, so how to use this URL? Actually, there are a lot of people asking me. Okay, so that's very easy way. Like if I'm going to show you Talking Tom GIF, you have to just search like that, any image. Okay, and if I'm going to open this one image, okay, and you cannot use this images as like commercial use. We are using as a testing app, so that's why we are using someone else image here. Okay, open image in the tab like this, and you will see that's GIF and that's the link. Copy this link in your app, right? So that's the process of how you can copy the image, GIF image link. Okay, now back to the our app here. I already have pasted this one, and go to the block section now. Okay, wait, I have to drag and drop. My extension here, speech recognizer, and one is text to speech. Text to speech. Okay, fine. Go to the block section. Okay, you can change the pitch. Okay, that one is pitch 0. You can make it, if I'm using here 0.2, so it's like a robot, and if I'm using 2, so it's just like a woman. Okay, so you can use any. I'm using here 1, and now whenever someone click on button 1, okay, this one is, so we will call this recognizer for getting text like this. Then after getting text, okay, so after getting text, what we will do, click on this, and you will see after getting text, we are going to first we set the web viewer. We are going to change the image of web viewer. So you will see here set your home URL here, and make this one home URL, this one, this one. Okay, you can change this URL anytime what you want, and I'm using a text field. Drag and drop this and paste it like here. Now second thing, we have to use text to speech here. Drag and drop this, and which message we have to pronounce, like this one. Okay, and get result here. Now the thing is, if I'm going to there's one tricky thing, like if someone is click on this button, okay, so we have to set our image as it is, okay. So what I'm going to use here, I'm going to use one timer to actually showing image properly, okay. So if I'm using here one timer, and the timer is in essential, and drag and drop this timer, make a timer enable false, go to the block section, and whenever text to speech, after text to speech, click on this text to speech. After text to speech, we have to enable timer. Click on timer, set timer enable true. Where is it? Timer enable true, make it enable true, like this. And then whenever timer is enabled, means when timer dot clock dot one dot timer, then we have to set this value as it is, like home URL, web viewer, and copy this URL here and go to the block and copy this, paste here. Fine. So that's all about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.